Welcome back to my channel. This video shows you to turn off 5G on your Android phone in 2026. If you want to save battery life, improve network stability, or simply prefer using LTE, follow these quick and easy steps to change your mobile network settings. Step 1. Start by unlocking your Android phone and opening the Settings app. You can find it on your home screen, app drawer, or by tapping the gear icon in the Quick Settings panel. Step 2. Scroll through the Settings menu and tap Connections. On some Android phones, this option may be labeled Network and Internet or SIM and Mobile Network, depending on your device manufacturer. Step 3. Next, tap Mobile Networks. This section contains the settings for your cellular connection, including data, roaming, and preferred network type. Step 4. Tap Network Mode to view the available network options supported by your phone and mobile carrier. Step 5. Choose LTE Svilas 3G equals 2G Auto Connect or LTE Preferred instead of a 5G option. Your phone will immediately stop using the 5G network and switch to LTE or another selected network mode. This can help reduce battery consumption and may provide a more stable connection in areas where 5G coverage is weak. You're all set. We hope this tutorial helped. Stay tuned for more simple Android tricks and smartphone guides.